Welcome back to Daily English Words. My name is Pihika and today I am going to share 10 new English words along with sentences, synonyms and antonyms. These words will help you improve your vocabulary and sound more confident when you speak English. So let's get started. The first word is adapt. Sentence: you must adapt to new situation quickly to succeed. Synonyms: adjust, modify. Antonym: resist, reject. The next word is benefit. Sentence: regular exercise has many benefits. Synonyms: advantage, gain. Antonyms: harm, disadvantage. The next word is clarify. Sentence: please clarify your point so everyone can understand. Synonyms: explain, educate. Antonyms: confuse, obscure. The next word is depend. Sentence: success often depends on hard work and patience. Synonyms: really, count. Antonyms: disturb, doubt. The next word is enhance. Sentence: good lighting can enhance the beauty of a room. Synonyms: improve, boost. Antonyms: reduce, diminish. The next word is flourish. Sentence: the business continued to flourish even during those times. Synonyms: thrive, prosper. Antonyms: fail, decline. The next word is justify. Sentence: he tried to justify his late arrival with a weak excuse. Synonyms: depend, defend, explain. Antonyms: condemn, blame. The next word is manage. Sentence: she can manage multiple projects at the same time. Synonyms: handle, control. Antonyms: mismanage, neglect. The next word is nurture. Sentence: parents should not nurture their children's creativity. Synonyms: foster, support. Antonyms: neglect, ignore. The next word is overcome. Sentence: she managed to overcome all obstacles in her path. Synonyms: quicker, defeat. Antonyms: surrender, fail. Great job! You have learned 10 new English words along with sentence, synonyms and antonyms. Try using these words in your daily conversation. That's the best way to remember them. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more daily English lessons. See you tomorrow with 10 more English words. Also try using these words also try making new sentences with these words. Thank you. Bye-bye.